Now I see the birds that flew south in winter. They're back in Minnesota in spring. That's one of the birds. They just came back from wherever they went, down south where there's no snow. It's a beautiful bird. It's making some sound. And I've seen a bunch of them. I haven't seen this since last year. It's a beautiful bird. There's another beautiful bird sitting over there on the fence. They just migrated back to Minnesota because the springtime, winter is over. It's pooping. Winter is over, so they're coming back to Minnesota. This one here didn't migrate. They stayed through winter, which is weird. Sometimes we had up to 40 degrees below zero. But over here, I love nature and the sounds of nature. You can hear the birds singing. It gets very busy when the weather is nice. It's already picking up because it's springtime. There's a beautiful bird over there. Birds don't get electrocuted when they sit on the power lines or stand, whatever you want to call it. Just chilling, hanging out over there. Here's one of the birds that just migrated back to Minnesota. They left in winter, now they are back. I've seen a bunch of them. There are kind of loud cars driving by, messing up the sound of nature. I love watching the birds and listening to their music. Beautiful sounds. How beautiful music sounds.